So my name is Deesh Naik from Agnel Institute of Technology and Design, and we have made an BMI calculation machine. So basically what the machine does is it takes height inputs, weight inputs and calculates BMI and displays of the person. The BMI is then stored in our app, so we can use it to check heights of small children, which will be then displayed to their parents so they can check the progress of their child growing.
My name is Ashwit Shetty and I am from Agnel Institute of Technology and Design. And my project is basically a cramp detecting band which will help you to detect cramps before it occurs. We are using this device in basically muscle healthcare and other muscle diseases. So basically we are going to be using a band which will tell you about your muscle movements, and whenever you are getting a cramp, this will detect the muscle movements and alert you before it, as this uses a buzzer and other components. Basically, whenever a person is doing any physical activity, he has some sort of muscle movements, which we are going to be showing it through a graph. The graph shows all sorts of muscle movements he's doing right now, and we are going to be setting a threshold for the cramp when it would occur. See, as he has done some movement, you can see all the rising ups and downs on the graph. And now we are going to be using weights. See, the graph is rising and falling as it showcases the stress taken by the body part. And even if you are getting a full body cramp, usually you have some reactions all over your body. Using that, we can detect cramps anywhere in your body.
हांव ध्रुव शिरसेकर, ह्यो अभिनव गावस, श्रेयस मनेरीकर आणि विकास गोटणे. आमी AITD आग्नेल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी अँड डिझायनाचे स्टुडंट्स मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियरिंग सेकंड इयर, आणि आमचो ह्यो प्रोजेक्ट ऑटोनॉमस लगेज कार्ड. सो ह्यो आमी केलो कित्याक तूं जाणा, असो म्हटल्यार ह्यो म्हाजो पर्सनल एक्सपिरियन्स आसलो. केन्ना हांवें ऑब्जर्व केला खुबदां लोकांक की ते चल कितें आतां शॉपिंगेक बीन वयता पळय, खुबदां लोक अशें सामान घेता तेंचें सामान पळय हेवी जाता, थोड्या जाणांक त्रास जाता पळय व्हरपाक. सो तितून आनी धुकलपाक ह्यो कार्ड. पयलीं तर हे शॉपिंग सेंटरान कार्ड्स आसता ते खूब तेची व्हिलां पळय अशी घट आसता किंवा वॉबल जाता, ते धुकलपाक त्रास जाता न्हू. सो आमी चिंतलें की तसलीच एक कार्ड आमी जर ऑटोमेट केली, म्हटल्यार ऑटोमॅटीक ते फाटो फाटी येयली तशी केली जाल्यार आयडिया बरी आसली, म्हणून आमी केले.
जाणट्या लोकांक सुद्दां मातशे त्रास जाता न्हू. सो जर वजन आसा तांकां जर ऑटोमॅटीक नासली ती, जर तिका मॅन्युअली धुकलची पडटा, सो तांकां ती धुकलपाक त्रास जाता किंवा आनी तांकां बॅक पेन आसूं शकता आनी कितें. सो तेंची ती प्रॉब्लम्स कमी करपा लागून, त्रास ते कमी करपा लागून आमी चिंतलें की जे मॅन्युअल आहा ताका ऑटोमेट करपाचें.
सो ही कार्ड जी आसा ती अल्ट्रासॉनीक सेन्सराचेर चलता. सो मनीस कितको पयस आहा ते डिटेक्ट करता ती, आनी अकॉर्डिंगली दॅट स्पीड सेट करता, जसो ऑटोमॅटीक वेरी जाता फुडें फाटी, आनी जसो मनीस लागीं येता तशी ती रावतली कार्ड. सो तूं खंय वता तुका ती तशी फॉलो करत वयतली कार्ड.
म्हजें जें नांव आसा तें साईश संजय शेटये. सो आमचो ग्रूप, आमची टीम टेक टायटन्स. सो आमकां प्रॉब्लम फेस जातालो, मिन्स आमी शेतान वताले तेन्ना ते बुजगावणे आसता पळय, ताका लागून तो हालनाशिल्लो. सो आमी हो हालता तसलो गेला. सो दीस आर मेड फ्रॉम 3D गियर्स. दीस इज हावस, स्पीकर, देन दीस इज अ फुटींग, देन दीस इज अ मोटर ओवर, देन इनसायड देर इज अ एम्प्लिफायर. भितर सगळी सिस्टम आसा आमची. सो हांगा आडिनो आसा, हांगा वयर मोशन सेन्सर आसा, हो एम्प्ली आसा, स्पिकर्स आसा, आनी ताका ब्लुटूथूय आसा. तो पिजन्स येता, पक्षी येता पळय, तांकां भिवपा खातीर आसा. सो हो पयलींचो आशिल्लो पळय तो कितें सांगला नाशिल्लो, तो फक्त बोडकी बिडकी कितें लायताली ताका शेताचे हे कुसो बिसो आनी ते हे करताले. सो आमी केला पळय तातूंत सगळें करतलो, मिन्स हालतलोय बी, आवाजूय करतलो. आनी एक आसा ताजी, आनी एक खासियत आसा. सो हो जो आसा पळय, जर शेतकार बोर जायत न्ही जाल्यार ताच्यान ताजें सॉंगूच यूज करूं येता. मिन्स ताका ब्लुटूथ आसा आनी USB आसा. USB लोकांनी करूं शकता तो ताका. तो फुल्ली ऑटोमॅटीक आसा. आनी हांगा सकयल जे आसा पळय ते डिस्कनेक्ट करून फिट करूं शकता मातयेन तूं, आनी पावसान काडूं शकता जावं दवरूं शकता, कांयच जावचें ना हाका. आनी फुल्ली एंटी रस्ट आसा. तो हे एल्युमिनियमाचे आसा, हे आसा एल्युमिनियमाचे आसा सो रस्ट येवचे ना पिड्यारूच जावचो ना स्पिकर
My name is Rahul Narvekar and I'm from AITD, Agnel Institute of Engineering. So the name of my project is Smart Mirror with AI detection features. So this mirror basically shows you the date, time, weather, current weather and weather for next 4 days, the upcoming events. It has a Google Map module which uses Google Map API to show you the current traffic of the location. So right now there is no traffic, so it's showing green. So there is a news module over here which shows you news from Hindustan Time. It updates in real time. And there's also a water drinking module to remind you of drinking water every hour. Then there's also a cricket module that shows any cricket match that's going on live. Then there is a Google Chromecast module, so you can cast your videos directly from your phone to the mirror. This video is casted from the phone to the mirror. So there is a inbuilt Google Assistant in it whose name is Smart Mirror. So if you say Smart Mirror, basically Google Assistant built into the mirror, so you can ask it anything you want and it will give you answer.
My name is Shubham Kaskar and you all are from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Agnel Institute of Technology and Design. So here we are going to explain you about 3D printing in brief. So what is 3D printing? So 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process in which parts are built layer by layer. So you all can see over here, you can see small lines. So this part is built layer by layer. So to build a 3D printed part, first we have to make the sketch on a CAD software. Then the CAD software will be turned into a STL file. Then it will be further passed on to a printer. So before that, there is another software called Cura where we can add support structures to the part. So here we have two different printers. So this is from Creality Ender and that is FlashForge Finder. So this type of 3D printing is called fused deposition modeling. So in which you can see a ring over here. This is called plastic spool. So as the plastic spool is fed inside, it is heated and you know the principle of the heating gun used in industry. So the plastic is put on layer by layer as per the geometry we have given in the CAD software. So now we are printing an owl. So you can see the shape on this screen. सो पार्ट आमकां जर चड डिटेलान बिल्ड करपाक जाय जाल्यार आमकां लेयर बाय लेयर वयपाचें पडटा. सो मोर द लेयर्स बेटर द पार्ट विल बी इन डिटेल्ड.
हांव डॉक्टर सौरभ रायकर, हेडिंग करंटली मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियरींग डिपार्टमेंट एट AITD. AITD आयडियाज हो इव्हेंट आमचो डायरेक्टर फादर अग्नेलो गोम्स हांचो एक विजन आशिल्लो. सो आमच्या गोवन एज्युकेशन सिस्टमान जे भुरगे आसा दे हॅव ट्रेमेंडस पोटेन्शियल अँड व्हेरी गूड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स, पण खंय तरी तांकां तो प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळना, ती ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळना आनी केन्ना केन्ना फायनान्सा खातीर ते फाटीं सरता. सो हियर एट AITD आयडियाज वी हॅव गिवन देम द प्लॅटफॉर्म, वी हॅव गिवन देम द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी, we have given them guidance and mentorship from our expert faculty, and we have also provided with finance to convert their idea into actual product or a prototype. And you can all see what wonders our students have created. So the culture at AITD is transformative. Even तुम्ही पळयतले थोडे स्टुडंट्स जे फर्स्ट इयराचे आसा ते आतां 3 म्हयने पयलीं जॉइन जाल्या, बट दे हॅव डन सम व्हेरी गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स ओवर हियर. सो हांव प्रुडंट मिडियाक स्पेशली थँक्यू म्हणपाक सोदता फॉर कवरिंग दीस इव्हेंट, मेनली बिकॉज द पर्पज इज दीस शूड रीच टू द मासीस. आनी आमचे जे भुरगे आसा तांणी हें सगळें पळोवपाक जाय, कित्याक when they see our students doing some innovative projects, our state students doing some innovative projects, they will also get that motivation and they will also start working in that direction, and that's how the research will happen, that's how the students will develop, that's how the world will grow. So that's the main aim.
My name is Aksham Sanket Faldesai from Sri Damodar Higher Secondary, Margao, Goa. And this is our project. And this is basically a piezoelectric cells and a dual AI solar flower. So what this piezoelectric cell does is, the piezoelectric cells are put it on the surface of the airplane. And what it basically does is it converts the mechanical energy of the air friction into electricity. So when the airplane goes up in the sky, it converts the mechanical energy of the air friction into electricity. So when we are taking this airplane, it is generating electricity on by itself. So I got this idea when I was traveling from Goa to Dubai. So when I was traveling, I just thought that the airplane produces a lots of carbon dioxide. And when I came back in Goa, I studied about piezoelectric cells. But the problem with piezoelectric cell was that when it is put it on the surface of, suppose on road, it produces very less amount of electricity. So when it is put it on the aeroplanes and they are flying up in the air, the pressure is so much that it produces a lots of electricity. And that electricity can be also used to run a plane, and that can also be brought back on the surface of the earth, and that can be used to run the whole airport. So basically our project is called as Electrical Eclipse, and it is basically to improve the sustainable energy. And now my mate will explain you about the dual axis solar sunflower.
Actually, we also have another concept, which is a dual axis solar tracking system. We couldn't bring it, but it's an idea that we have implementing. Now we have made the airplane sustainable. Why not the whole airport? So because of that, we are replacing the single axis solar tracking system. The problem is they are only in one direction, static. So sun's energy, the sun's position is not static, it varies a lot. So what will the dual axis solar tracking system will do? It will move according to it. It will sense the direction of the sunlight and move according to it. So by using an Arduino Uno and a simple coding language, we can code this. So this is the two project. We named it as Electric Eclipse.
माझें नाव आर्यन अनंतचारी हो उदीत आनी आमी असो अल्कोहोल डिटेक्टिंग सेन्सर केला आमी विजयानंद हायर सेकंडरी मयें तर आमचो सेन्सर कसो चलता तर आमी केला कित्याक तर IS-आनी खूब जाणां अल्कोहोल पिवन बी चलता सो तेंच्या खातीर आमी हें केलां रोड एक्सिडेंट जावंक जायना म्हणून सो आमचो सेन्सर कितें करता सो आतां आमी सगळे सर्कीट तयार केला तर जेन्ना हेका अल्कोहोल लागता तेन्ना तो बंद करता गाडी आतां ही आमची बंद जाली आतां आमी एका गाडयेन लायतले हेजी जाय तशी आमकां रेंज आमी एडजस्ट करूं शकता सो पर्सन हें जावं शकता अल्कोहोल डिटेक्ट करून दीत जाल्यार
माझें नाव अमय भोसले आणि आम्ही येयलेले आहात हरमल पंचक्रोशीसून हरमल पंचक्रोशी हाय सेकंडरी सो आमचे ब्रिजाचें नाव दिल्लेलें आहा स्मार्ट ब्रिज आतां स्मार्ट ब्रिज कितें करता सो आमी फिजिओ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज केला सो तितून काय आता अशें दिसता तें आतां तेतून जाता कितें की आमी तेन्ना गाडी हेच्या वयल्यान पास करतलो तेन्ना हे बल्बाक पळयात ती इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करतली आनी तेन्ना जाता कितें आतां एक ब्रिज केन्ना तुमी पळयल्यार तो 24 वरां चालूच आसता जाल्यार गाडी वचत रावतले सो आतां कितें जितके गाडी वयतले तितके तितून इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट जातली तितून आनी काय फंक्शन फॉर एक्झाम्पल आतां कितें आतां खंयचे गाडी बीन मॉडिफाय केल्ली आसा जाल्यार कितें जाता मॉडिफाय केलेल्या गाडये खातीर आवाज खूब जाता आनी त्या आवाजा खातीर मागीर लोकांक मागीर खूब त्रास जाता एक असो डिवायस केला त्या भितून कितें जाता समज कितें आवाज बीन चड जालो जाल्यार कितें जातलें तो बल्ब पेट्टलो आनी मागीर हयसर फुडें येवन हयसर मागीर खंय समज खंयची गाडी बीन आहा ती जाल्यार तेका गाडयेक आडयतले खंयची गाडी खंयची स्पीड वयर वयता किंवा खंयचो रूल ब्रेक करता जाल्यार अशी गाडी येतली आनी गाडी हयसर आडावतली आनी तिसरो फंक्शन काय आतां ब्रिज आमी केन्ना खंयसर बांदतली न्हंयेचे किंवा खंयच्या पाणये जाग्यार वयर बांदता आमी खंयची ब्रिज जाल्यार कितें जाता आतां समज खंयचोय असो पूर बीन येयलो आनी पाणी बीन वाडला आनी घरा बीन बुडपाचो चान्स आसा जाल्यार कितें जाता हे जे आसा तो सिस्टम तो हेका डिटेक्ट करतलो की बाबा पूर बीन येता आनी सो आमकां सगळ्यांक अशें लागींच्या लोकांक सांगतलो की तुमी तसले पयस चलात नाल्यार तुमी बुडटले
Bye.